Good morning, you guys. It is now day 2 of my cross-country road trip to the eastern United States. For those of you who are new to the channel, I just spent last night sleeping in the Walmart parking lot in Cedar City, Utah. And today we are going to try to make it to Las Vegas, which is about 3 hours away. So let's go ahead and get ready for the day, shall we? All right, let's hit it. All right, guys. After a good 2.5 hour drive from Cedar City, we are finally back in Las Vegas. And the reason I'm saying finally back is because I did used to live here for a few years, but after that, due to how rough the house market economy is, I got encouraged by my parents to come move back home. However, it does feel great being back here because I have come back to visit a few times, so there's definitely some good vibes for me and how much I loved living here and such. But yeah, right now I'm just taking a stroll down the strip for old time's sake, since I used to live here, like I said, and then after that's done, I'm gonna head out to Summerlin and go find a coffee shop and do some video editing. And of course, from up ahead, I can see the Hard Rock Casino still under construction. From what I heard, I think it's supposed to be set by early next year or something, but I don't know. That's just a guess on my part. Okay, now I've finished up the editing part, I'm gonna take a bit of a break and go fill up my car and get some meat to make my meals for the next 5 days. Best thing about being a Costco member is that their gas is pretty much the cheapest one you can afford. Featherblade English Craft Butchery. Hi, can I get 2 pounds worth of chicken thighs, please? Boneless, please, and skinless, yeah. All right, got all the meat. Now let's go find a park and go cook them up. All right, I found this nice park out here in Summerlin. Thankfully, it's got some seating areas with shade and also plugins for me to charge my power station. So let's get cooking, shall we?
right. All right, here's our finished product. Chicken fajita rice bowls. Definitely enough to last me for about 5 days. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of my stay here in Las Vegas and day 3 of the trip. Right now I'm currently having a bowl of cereal. I'm gonna head over to another coffee shop and do some more video editing, as well as also try to go see if there's any friends who want to get lunch or dinner with me or something. And I'm also going to be spending the day deciding whether or not I'll stay for another day or if I head off to the eastern US first thing tomorrow morning. So let's get the day going, shall we? Alright guys, I'm now in downtown Vegas after a few hours of editing, and now I'm gonna go take a lunch break at a restaurant I used to work at called Carson Kitchen. And I'll tell you guys this, their food is top tier, and I have worked there for a year, and what I know is that the days I worked there, we were almost busy every day, so it just shows like how great their stuff is. So let's go check it out, shall we? Nice. Okay, there's the drinks. There's the food, okay. Oh, all right.
Oh shit, really?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So yeah, this is one of my favorites, the Secret Sunday Chicken. All right. Delicious as always. So I want to tell you guys a fun fact about the Secret Sunday Chicken is that the inspiration for this comes from Chick-fil-A, since they're always closed on Sundays, and that's why it's called Secret Sunday. To, you know, if you can't get Chick-fil-A on Sunday, you can always come eat this one here. So yeah, if you guys ever plan on coming to downtown Vegas and you want to get something to eat, Carson Kitchen is definitely on the top of my list. And yeah, like I said, I used to work there, and we've always put out great food, and we were constantly busy a lot. So yeah, please do if you're in the area. Well, anyway, now that that's done, I'm gonna get back to video editing, and this time I'm gonna go find a library to do it, since the Wi-Fi at the coffee shop I was at is really slow. Well, I gotta say, I had a much better experience like doing my video editing here than I did at the coffee shop I was at, but
I figured that since they don't open till like 10 o'clock in the morning, I could just straight up do my editing at the coffee shop and then come over here to do my uploading. So I could say that's probably a win-win. Well, now that I'm all done video editing for the day and uploading, I'm gonna go kill some time by taking a walk around the downtown Summerlin Mall, which is this area right here. Out of all days today, it really has to be this windy here. Honestly, I wish they could have saved it for a different day. Wind just got worse, like, and it's only been a few minutes. Like, what the hell? And as you guys can see from here, there's the famous Red Rock Resort. So yeah, I did stay there one time, like over a year ago, and let me tell you, it was totally worth it. And it was of course during winter, which makes it even better. So high recommendation from me. So yeah guys, downtown Summerlin Mall, definitely a place I recommend for those of you who are into shopping and want to come visit Las Vegas sometime. Definitely worth it. All right guys, it's now about 8:30 and as you can hear, the wind has gotten way worse over the last few hours. I mean, heck, I was at the gym a couple hours ago and yeah, it picked up really badly. In case you guys can see, yeah, that's how bad it's gotten, like really bad. I was even driving on I-215 and like not only was it bad, it was blowing dust and debris onto the road. That's how bad it turned out to be. So yeah, all I can do is like hope and pray that this will not carry on to tomorrow morning, because I sure would not want that at all. So yeah, I'll probably just go and turn in for the night and see how well tomorrow will become.